Hi friends, welcome to DM classes.
In last session we have learned basic concept in geometry, point, line and plane and coordinate of points and distance. Now today we will start with betweenness. Betweenness. First point. If the points P, Q and R are three distinct collinear points, then there are three possibilities. Case first. Point Q is between P and R. Case second. Point R is between P and Q. Case third. Point P is between R and Q. Therefore, R, P and Q. Second point. If distance of PQ plus distance of QR equal to distance of PR, then the point Q is said to be between points P and R. Third point. The betweenness is written as P, Q, R or R, Q, P. For example, three points A, B and C are such that distance of AB equal to 6, distance of AC equal to 8 and distance of BC equal to 14. Find which of the point is between the other two. Solution. Given distance of AB equal to 6, distance of AC equal to 8 and distance of BC equal to 14. According to the question, B, C, A. Distance of AC equal to 8. Distance of AB equal to 6. And distance of BC equal to 14. Therefore, distance of BC equal to 14. It is denoted by first equation. Distance of AB plus distance of AB plus AC. Distance of AB plus distance of AC equal to 6 plus 8 equal to 14. Therefore, distance of AB plus distance of AC equal to 14. It is denoted by second equation. From equation first and second, distance of BC equal to 14 and distance of AB plus distance of AC equal to 14. Therefore, distance of AB plus distance of AC equal to distance of BC. Therefore, point A is between the points B and C, that is B, A, C or C, A, B. Now, practice set (1.1). Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, Stat. So, first, distance of PR equal to 7. Distance of PQ equal to 10. Distance of QR equal to 3. Second, distance of RS equal to 8. Distance of ST equal to 6. And distance of RT equal to 4. Solution. First, given P, distance of PR equal to 7, distance of PQ equal to 10, and distance of QR equal to 3. Distance of PQ equal to 10. It is denoted by first equation. Therefore, distance of PR plus distance of QR equal to distance of PR equal to 7 plus distance of QR equal to 3. Therefore, 7 plus 3 equal to 10. It is denoted by second equation. From equation first and second, distance of QR equal to distance of PR plus distance of QR Therefore, point R is between the point P and Q, that is P R Q or Q R P. Second, solution. Given distance of RS equal to 8, distance of ST equal to 6, and distance of RT equal to 4. Therefore, distance of RS equal to 8. It is denoted by first equation, and distance of ST plus distance of RT equal to distance of ST equal to 6 plus distance of RT equal to 4 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Therefore, distance of ST plus distance of RT equal to 10. It is denoted by second equation. From equation first and second, distance of RS is not equal to distance of ST plus distance of RT. Therefore, the given points are not collinear. Question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance of AC equal to 10, distance of CB equal to 8, find distance of AB. Considering all possibilities, solution: given distance of AC equal to 10 and distance of CB equal to 8, case first, points A, B, C are such that A, B, C A, B and C. Distance of AC equal to 10, therefore AC 10, and distance of CB equal to 8, distance of AC equal to AB plus BC, distance of AB plus distance of BC substitute the value of distance of AC equal to 10, distance of AB equal plus distance of BC equal to 8, distance of AB equal to 10 minus 8, distance of AC equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 2. Case second, points A, B, C are such that A, C, B A, C, B distance of AC equal to 10 and distance of BC equal to 8. Therefore, distance of AB equal to AC plus BC, distance of AC plus distance of BC equal to distance of AC equal to 10 plus distance of BC equal to 8. Therefore, distance of AB equal to 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Case 3. Point A, B, C. Points A, B, C are such that B, A, C. B, A, C. Distance of BC equal to 8. Distance of AC equal to 10. From the diagram, distance of AC is greater than distance of BC, which are not possible. Which are not possible. Therefore, point A is not between B and C. Therefore, distance of AB equal to 2 or distance of AB equal to 18. Thank you.
If you like the video, please press the bell icon.